Hello, my kindergarten mathematicians. We have been talking about numbers to 5. Now we have started numbers to 10. We did the number 6. Now I want you to think, what number comes after 6? After. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 comes after 6. So that's the number we are going to practice today, is the number 7. All right, listen to the poem. It says, across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way to make a 7. All right, let's try it. Here I go. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Now, if you have your whiteboard or a piece of paper there, you can grab it right now and make some 7s with me. 7 isn't too hard of one. You just need to know what direction it goes. So we start here and we move back across the sky and down. And it's a little bit slanted. It's not straight up and down. It's a little slant to it. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way to make a 7. Go ahead and keep practicing. I will just make them. Watch me if you need it. And you write some of 7s on your paper or on your whiteboard. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way to make a 7. You know, these poems they rhyme a little bit, and they help us remember how to write each number. That's why we have a poem for each number. Okay? All right. Now, look down here. I have a pair of dice here. Now that we're getting up to the bigger numbers, we're going to need to show them with 2 dice. On this dice, it shows on the top 5. And then we count on 6, 7. So that is how 7 is shown when you're playing with dice. 5 on one and 2 on the other. Just like our fingers, when we put up fingers for 7, we have 5, one hand, and then 2 more. That's 7. All right, let's look at our 10 frame. Remember, when a whole row on a 10 frame is filled, that means that's 5. We can just say that. We don't even need to count them. We know there are 5 squares on the top, 5 squares on the bottom makes 10. 5 and 5 make 10. But we know one is full. It has a black dot on each one, so that's 5 plus 2 more is 7. All right. Let's practice counting to 7. I have 2 different sports balls here. I have soccer balls and I have footballs. All right, let's count how many soccer balls we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Let's try the footballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is one of my favorite numbers. Do you have a favorite number? Sometimes we do, and maybe it's our birth date, or maybe it's our jersey number if we're in a sport. I really like it because that was what my boys always wore when they played baseball and hockey, was lucky number 7. All right, boys and girls, you are going to practice the number 7 on Seesaw today. All right, I'll see you soon.